Good evening, everyone. This next song is very personal to me. I wrote it during a difficult time, and I hope it brings you some comfort the way it did for me.
Wow, you can feel the emotion in her voice.
Yeah, it's like the song is telling story without even trying too hard.
This is the kind of music that just hits you right in the heart.
I know, you don't even to talk, you just want to listen.
That was beautiful.
Alright, class. Today we'll talk about climate change, what causes it, and how it affects our planet. Climate change is mainly caused by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. This action release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to rising global temperatures. This is why we're seeing more extreme weather, melting polar ice, and rising sea levels.
Liam, what did he say about sea levels?
Sea levels are rising because the ice caps are melting. He said it's one of the effects of trapped heat.
Can anyone give an example of how climate change affects daily life?
Ma'am, I think stronger typhoons and longer droughts are examples.
Very good, Liam. That shows you're really listening and understanding.
Hi, I studied so hard for that math exam, but I'm still failed. I don't even know why I bother anymore.
I can say you're really disappointed, Jim. It sounds like you're feeling frustrated because you put in so much effort and didn't get the results you hoped for.
Exactly, I stay up late, give up my weekends, and still ended up failing. Maybe I'm just not good at math.
That must be so discouraging. I can't imagine how hard must feel after everything you give up to prepare. But feeling one test doesn't define your ability.
Yeah, but I feel like I am falling behind. What if I can catch up?
It's completely normal to feel every need right now. You care a lot about your studies, and that shows how dedicated you are. I am here to support you. Maybe we can figure out what went wrong and try a new way to study together next time.
Thanks, Alex. That's mean a lot. I just needed someone to talk to.
Anytime, you are not alone in this. Okay.
I think should raise money to buy new books for the elementary school nearby. Their library is really outdated and books are essential for learning.
That's a good idea, but I think we should focus on feeding street children for a week. Hunger affects them every day. It's a more urgent need.
Both of your suggestions are meaningful, and I appreciate how you each thought about what other need. But let me look at each one more closely.
Your idea about books supports long-term education. That's important, especially if the schools lacks resources. But it might take a while for the impact to show.
Your proposal addresses immediate needs like hunger, which is urgent and affects a child's ability to function every day. But we need to make sure the funds will go directly to those who need it and that we can partner with a legit organization to make it effective. Before we decide, can we gather more data like how many kids are affected in each situation, what the budget would look like, and which aligns best with the school mission?